They were camping in a room. They were camping in this room.
Are they in there? One. Oh shoot. Dang, that sucks.
They're at the other house too.
Our bad. There's somebody coming to y'all. Somebody coming to y'all.
I see that.
I do too. If y'all drop a gun real quick. Oh, he has no gun. The other person does though. They're coming up, watch out, watch out. On the garden. There we go. Alright, there's another person somewhere else, I don't know where he's at. Yeah, see him? You can revive somebody right now, I'm watching out for you.
Sorry, I didn't mean to scream at you, but we have 2 seconds off to it.
Yeah, I'm trying to look around, I don't see nobody right now.
Okay, I got mini shields. Tyler, coming up at you.
I got him.
Only one person needs to revive me. I wish it would make it faster for 2 people, but it won't. Oh, thank you, I still have no gun. I wouldn't go down without a fight though. Dang. He had shields, I was like, oh boy, I'm gonna die.
Here's some bandages out here. I just dropped some.
I need a gun.
All have to be on.
They're all in,
There's that green pump bar up
I killed 2 of them already.
Nope, that last person.
No, he didn't die. He fell down like when.
We could try to run away in the woods real quick. We got zombies here. I don't waste my bullets.
I didn't know you guys did it. We were in the game.
He smacked me.
I think there's a rift over here. Don't. It's not.
Might be apples flying around. Might even be.
Oh, there's all big top bandages.
Oh, I heard something. Oh, watch out, Johnny.
Oh, yeah.
The whole team.
Oh, well.
Down.
Coming up.
Don't worry about
I don't have ammo.
Oh, I hit him. I hit him twice! He jumped right there. Right there. Hey, good. Big zombie behind you. Hey, you got your wing. I noticed that. Hit the shield. I got a campfire. And the assault rifle. Actually, probably be better if we go to the house or something, you think?
Yeah, let's go to a house or something.
Well, we got a storm coming.
I got a portal thing, rift to go. Watch out, Joe, behind you. Joe, behind you.
Yeah.
Oh, I need ammo too. I have no ammo.
Mushrooms over here.
How'd you guys like that building?
You did good.
I shot that guy running up and it just didn't do any damage.
Oh, thank God, ammo.
I'm gonna put down this campfire.
9 minutes, and then we get to Southwood.
I do have a rift to go, just tell me when to use it.
Save it.
You can try to make it to the middle of Wailing Woods and use that rift. No one else used it.
I got mini shields if anyone needs some.
I can carry it. I only got 2 guns. Did one of y'all pick up that heavy sniper?
Yeah, no, I think
Right now.
I hope you did, cause I didn't.
I picked up the sniper.
Okay.
I got a triple bolt action. Who has it on the assault rifle? I only got 38 bullets.
I got 79.
Okay,
You can probably get you some down here. There's some ammo crates and stuff.
Hey Justin, you got any
Yeah.
missiles?
Well, you're
I
dead.
need them. I know I need them.
Well, there's also a rift down here we can take. I just not realized it.
That was the game plan.
No one listens to me anymore.
You're dead.
I'm coming.
Okay, hold up.
I'm good. Here, I can carry that.
You can take that and just start with someone else.
Where to? How about here? Looks like no one's been Lonely Lodge either, so that might be a good sign. Nobody be coming from it.
More or less. This is lunches. Okay, never mind. I got.
Wow, bounced me away.
That's what I'm looking for. No, I don't need sniper bullets.
Scar. Shoot the shield.
I'm pretty good on like. No, I'm not good on shotgun ammo.
I got.
I got 15.
Jeez. What am I barking for? I got
Yeah.
125 assault rifle bullets.
I can carry them.
I got 6 here.
I'm not here, somebody.
Freaking Bubba got a bigger bark than I could.
Oh, you don't know. You don't
I
know.
want to take that 18K really fast.
You should have seen it when Caleb walked in on the
Oh,
Hercules.
never mind then.
I want to get one like a thing.
Never mind what.
I'm not gonna see if I can use the mic.
Sorry.
You're fine.
Dude, one second,
I mean, if you want to use it, you can. I can use my headset.
I mean, if you're recording with
It's fine. He'll switch to this.
Are you sure? Alright.
Already got 2 W's.
That's because, my friends are complaining that
There you
the
go.
mic on my thing's not working.
Well, tell him about your mic then.
Well, Will said he's gonna send me
Nice,
he said he's got
Justin, I
professional
saw
recording
that.
stuff. He's got a bunch of
You
mics
are.
that he can
Okay, what? Sorry. I was listening to Corey make fun of Justin because he drove in the storm.
He records his own channel.
I was gonna get a challenge done. Leave me
Yeah.
alone.
And he said he's got a bunch of he's got a bunch of
No,
mics
he used the
that he's,
ATV
since
to
he's
get
upgraded
through
his
the
mic
flaming
over the
green.
years, keep upgrading them.
Yeah, I flew into the.
Turbo
Pretty
drove
cool.
him a little bit further than
Better sound
anticipated.
quality.
Yeah.
You should get on Gaming for God. I upload 2 of my raps, the Cookie Monster, and I made a new one, Donald Trump. Yeah, you need to listen to Donald Trump. I just recently made it.
Alright.
I made it that day for yesterday.
Okay. Well, I'm
Good. Yeah, no problem.
I'm gonna try to avoid it.
I still have that rift. There's a 4 over there.
How did they hit me? Get close to this thing.
Because you're Corey. Where's that? Goodness! Loot heaven, huh? Oh, here. Another rift to go. Rocket launcher. Well, not rocket launcher. Grenade launcher. Can someone carry minis? Where they at?
To your, right next to that big base right next to you. Behind you.
How do I get out of my coach?
Hold down L. I killed him.
I'm good. Does he have ammo for
I dropped this mini. Storm's coming. Gotta hurry up and get what we can.
I'm carrying that, I can carry those.
There's a rocket launch. No, not rocket. Grenade launcher over here.
The kids, I can carry them, the kids. And then the big shield right here. Somebody can carry that.
I can't carry that. Actually, I could after I drink this. I can drink the other. I can pick up the other 50 shield.
Do you have a green assault rifle?
I got plenty of assault for bullets. I don't have an assault rifle.
It's blue AR.
Storm. Supply drop northwest.
Assault rifle right before the thing touches.
You got that camp file?
Yep.
You want to
Oh,
go
drive
that
it.
step?
Sure. You gonna do it here inside this house?
Yeah, I'm down.
It's a little small.
I have a look at it as well.
Might as well go ahead and get all set up all the way.
So I've fixed my settings where I can place it now, so for heads up.
Okay, somebody needs 2 more kills and we got 6 kills. There's a heavy sniper.
Can't carry it. I got 2 rifts to go. I got 3. Anybody got any rockets?
I
Yeah, dude.
Careful standing still.
dropped all mine.
Alright, I'm max. I dropped it. Can you grab that other one?
Yeah, I can grab it.
I can grab it.
Alright, just heads up again. I got 2 rift to go.
We made it 6 minutes.
Hey, I got a 50 for you if you want to use it, Justin, or you'd rather save it.
Yeah, I'll use it right now. Well, no,
I see somebody.
Where?
Oh! No shoot.
He's gliding
Flying away. Oh, he's down, Dusty. Here, I'm dropping this 50 real quick. Or help him drink it while you got a chance. I dropped it down below you. Okay, never mind. I'll carry it. I hear other gunfire going. It sounds like it's down in Dusty.
I'm on avoid Dusty.
Wait, I see somebody.
Where?
Oh, someone just jumped up.
Call that. We got 2.
West.
North.
Sorry.
Yeah, you see somebody.
He glided down.
You guys wanna come with me?
No,
Yeah,
I want to lose. I hate winning.
I see something purple on the.
I also have a launch pad.
Is that a Scarjo? No, that's a. That's a desert green. Never mind.
No, it's a hand cannon. If you come inside, drop it as 50.
I don't like being killed open
Oh, I see somebody in this house right straight ahead. Putting down
Put a trap
traps.
down. He might have more people in there.
Oh, I see them. They're all on one round.
Just get up here. I can rocket launch him. Destroy a floor and I'll blow him up. I don't see him in nothing. Are they down in the basement?
Yeah, they're somewhere in the house. They were camping in a room. They were camping in this room.
Are they in there? One's there.
Good job, guys.
There's a slurp, Joe. I can't carry that rift.
I can carry one.
Everyone good on bullets?
Yeah, I'm good on bullets now. I'm set.
Oh, I love this rocket launcher. Every time you reload it, I just love it.
We can build up on this. Oh, somebody's dying.
Oh, I see him southwest. They're far away. I don't know if they're coming to us. They might be fighting somebody else. It looks like they're going after somebody else. I don't know. They're right in front of me, south. Just pop them, let them know that. Don't come no further. Oh, he hit me. Okay, I'm gonna heal up real quick. I got a rift to go. We can use the rift. Let me know. Come to me. Come to me. Let's go. I can get you off.
Oh, thank you.
They'll fight each other.
I see somebody in the...
They're splitting up. I need a med kit or something.
I got one.
I'm coming. They're fighting each other. Zombies coming in my way. Or get to y'all. I can probably beat them though. Alright, I'm back to normal.
There's a guy running this way. He's north.
Yeah, I do. Oh, I'm getting shot from behind. Watch out. I'm hurt. Y'all watch from where we was at? Somebody's there where we was at.
Oh.
Storm's pushing.
Oh, Storm's doing it.
Devil wants past.
I do.
We can move in.
Right here. On pad.
I can rocket launch him. He doesn't get lost. Oh, he's at the wall in front of us. 2 wins in a row. Let's all dance. Come on. Yeah. 2. Yeah, baby. That's 3 for us today. Hit the like, subscribe. God bless you. Till next one. Okay, go ahead. Sorry.